Welcome to my vlog. Today also I start my vlog. Today my off day. That's why I don't go duty. I take the rest. Then especially off day, I have to go. No need to go anywhere. That's why I take myself the time. Whatever I want to go, I go. I take time. So now already I rounding the all night. That's why now my time is reach back to go accommodation in this. There are many coffee shop. Maybe I think one, two, three is in the famous coffee shop in Saudi Arabia. Coffee address, coffee wooden. So that's why now the time I have to back to go my duty because now I am done. So now I go. Now I going to back to accommodation. So I think I have to cross the this way. So it's actually night view is like that is my place. It's been when I living place like that. So is if we day and night we compare with the weather, this night is better. Now almost I think 21 temperature. It's almost very good. So this flower also available in my country. I like it. So this is especially for an employer how they spend the time daily life. But today my off day. That's why I just came outside. I'll be refreshed. Now it's in the day in the road is the too much is the visual car. But night is not too much because almost now it become the morning till the night. So that's why in this the way it's not too much car. Even I before I tell in my blog in the this way I can go duty when I go time. But that's why I have the my way to this way inside the separate way. But this way is highway. That's why more is busy way this one. Busy road. It's now time 4 o'clock. No, it's near 4 not. So this is the real life. How we survive the versus expectation reality in Saudi Arabia. It's night time. So almost his weather is not clear. It's the same day. That time it's before day, same time I come back from duty to come back to accommodation. But today I go accommodation, just I come outside the market. Now is almost more. Just I don't want to more talking. Just I want to take the realities. What is in the night, middle night. So is the night. This is the situation. So who will come the before in Saudi Arabia? That guy how living, how I take experience. But beginning who is in Saudi Arabia coming and who want to come Saudi Arabia? That guy. That guy can take the information in Saudi Arabia. What we have reality versus expectation. What we reality, what we get expectation. This means like people think in Saudi Arabia is not the everywhere is deployment, everywhere is good place. This is the big like our country. In limit area, part of this. This is just like village. Even the night we can see the good view, but daytime we cannot see the good view because almost is more sun. Very difficult day or night between. If night, everywhere is light enough. Oh, this place is light. This place is light. More light everywhere. So I think For me, it's enough for today the video because I make video just 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Just now, for me, time is enough over. So I have to close camera to the my off day. That's why I can make the video. Hello. How are you? Like, share, subscribe. So I have to now off the camera right now.